Hey there, Ben Arnold here with ConnectScale. And today I'm going to be going through and giving you a demonstration of how to use the ConnectScale fishing app, and specifically how do we use the culling system and the culling screens that's in the app. So first I want to just walk through some screenshots, show you what we can do, and then I'll walk through live on the app and give you a demonstration. So first, with the culling system, what you need to do is create a new event. And to do that, you can tap the upper right-hand trophy icon. Then you would need to go through, give it a name. You can select different settings, select the catch setup, either numeric or color, set the live well limit, whether you want the traditional 5 limit, which is the default, or you can go in and select something different. And then you can also go in and select the tag order. And to do that, you can go in, just tap the colors that you want if you're selecting numbers, and select the order that you want those automatic tags to come into. And then once you have everything set up, when you're out on the water and weighing those catches, you can use that to manage the catches. The system will automatically assign the tags, and you can use that. The culling system is going to drop the pins, and also when you're done with the event, you'll need to press the stop button. But instead of just walking through screenshots, what I want to do is actually go through an example and show you how to set everything up and get that onto the app here. So as I mentioned, the first thing that you need to do is go in, have the app downloaded, go into the culling page, tap the trophy icon. You can add a photo if you like, add notes, but we need to give it a name. So for this one, we're just going to call it test demo. And we want to track the distance. So what the distance tracking does is it shows us a route out on the water, the path that we take. It keeps track of that. It's best to only do that if you have a power source with your phone, so that you're not draining your battery with the GPS. But it pulls in the GPS and pin, and it drops in the pin locations when you weigh it. And it's a real good feature to go back, to be able to later go back and see, okay, what path did I take? Where was those catches? Where were the key catches that I had during the day? A really great feature to be able to go back and look at that. But for the tag setup, we want to do a color tag system. For the demonstration, we only want to use 3 tags. We can go in and select the tag order: blue, red, and green. Let's say I want to move green up to first. You can tap on the right hand side and drag that up, and then that will be the first tag. You hit save, hit done, and then what that does is it brings us into a live culling tournament session. To start the actual event, you would need to hit start. So you can do this, set it up the night before, get it ready to go, and then when you get out on the water, you're ready to go. Just pull it up and hit start. And what that does is it activates the culling system. So you want to make sure you have your scale paired. Once you do, you can start weighing your catches. You can also manually input the catches, and it'll manage those. But we're using the scale, so let's get our first few catches here logged. 2.89 comes in. We want to keep it. We had green first, so we select green. But let's put our phone away for this next one so we don't have it showing. So what we do is we put it to sleep, and let's weigh our next catch. Okay, this one's locked in at 2.11. I get a notification on my Apple Watch saying keep and tag blue. If we pull our phone up, we also have a notification. Give it a second here, and it tells you exactly what you need to do. Keep and tag blue. So we can tap that, and then it opens up the app, and we see that the blue has been placed there, and it's tracking that 2.12 on the app. So now let's log our third catch. 2.78. We want to keep it. We're going to tag it with that last tag. So now we have our limit. The next catch that we log is going to automatically tell us what to do with that catch after we weigh it. So let's get it in. The next one that we catch is going to be 1.61. It's not big enough, so we know to release it. So we just tap release. Weigh the next one. We'll get it a little bit heavier so that we can show the culling feature. So we lock it in. It's 3.29. The lowest weight catch is 2.12 blue, so we know to keep and cull the blue thanks to our system. And so that blue has now been replaced with the 3.29. So we can go in and say if you lose your tag, what you can do is you can tap that blue tag, and then go in and assign it a different color tag if you need to. We want to keep it. We're good to go. So we had a good day on the water, 5 total catches, live well weight of 8.95. We culled out 2.12 pounds, and we also released a catch. Our total weight was 12.68 for the day. We had 1 fish culled. So really a good day on the water. We want to keep that in our track. So what we would do is you hit stop on the within the app, and what that does is it gives you a warning message here. Are you sure you want to stop this session? Because once you stop it, you're not able to restart it again. So I don't want to stop yet. I want to get back out on the water. But I do want to pause it. I want to just go in for lunch. So I would just tap that pause, and then when I come back in from lunch, or restroom break, whatever reason you would want to stop it, you can come back in and hit resume. It picks up. The system will start right back where it left off. But now I'm ready to stop it. So let's hit stop, confirm it. Now we've stopped it. So we can't manage those catches anymore. But what we can do is we can go back to our culling list here, our tournament list, and review the day on the water. So we can tap that. It brings us back in. We can go in and see the catches. And if I were out on the water moving, you would see the route tracking on the waterway right there as we're going through the water. Anyway, that's just a quick overview of the culling system. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. My email is ben@connectscale.com, or you can try info@connectscale.com and someone will get back to you. Thanks and have a great night.